Yo, what is up guys? Trevor Roskavinsky here. In today's video, we're picking up the True Blue Jordan 1s. There's not a lot of hype behind this shoe, but I still want to see it in hand. So we're heading over to Castle Square Mall to actually grab these. Those of you that are in Indiana, you know what I'm talking about. I actually hit at FLX, the Foot Locker out there. So I'm going to go pick those up. We're going to review on them, and I'm going to give you my overall thoughts at the end of this video. So stick around until then. So I'll see you guys at the mall in 3, 2, and 1. I'll see you there. Just kidding. We had to stop by USPS real quick. Kelvin, here's your merch going out. I wanted to stop by to keep that in this video so you know your merch is going out today. You just bought today, ship it out today. Now the next stop is actually the mall. And just like that, boys and girls, we are at the Castle Square Mall. We always go through Von Maur, so let's go ahead and get in here. I'm gonna go check out Finish Line 2 to see if they have any Panda Dunks. Hopefully they do. I know they've been restocking heavy. I'm gonna ask for triple pinks as well, but let's see if we are successful on this trip on getting extra shoes other than just True Blue ones. Hi, how's it going?
Hello.
Just here to pick up a raffle win.
What's the size?
A size 10.
Yeah, size 10 in the raffle.
How you doing today?
Good. What's a good phone number for you? That's
All right,
regular.
that's fine.
Got him! Got him!
What's the name?
Trevor Roskavinsky.
Do you have ID?
Yep. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend.
You too.
All right, guys, pickup done, nice and easy. We're heading to Finish Line now. We're gonna see if they have Pandas or Fuchsia Dunks. I know they're starting to stock up around. I've seen those in Discord success. So we're gonna see if we can't find any of those. If not, I'll see you back at home reviewing this sneaker. Had to make a quick coffee pit stop because we are gonna need it to edit this video. I didn't sleep much last night, so this will help a lot. Look over there. Someone's getting a parking ticket. The parking guy got him, that's the worst. Bad part about being downtown Indy. But anyways, I got my coffee at the commissary. If you're in the Indianapolis area and downtown, try it out. It's actually a barber shop and a coffee shop, and they even serve alcohol. So if you're into that, go check it out when you're in Indianapolis. And just like that, boys and girls, we are back at home with our Jordan 1 True Blues. Now, as I said, I did get a size 10 in these. Size 10, I ended up paying, let me see here. At the end of the day, they were $192.60. And if you're wondering, on the aftermarket, that's about what they're selling for right now. So they're selling for retail. That should answer your question if you should hold these, if you should be selling them, what you should be doing with them, or if you should be investing in these pairs. I would just hold off. I would wait until later on. I know I usually talk about this after the review, but I just wanted to tell you guys that right now, that they're kind of at retail, but I'm not worried about selling these. I'm giving them away in Kick Notified tonight or this weekend, like I said earlier in the video, so it's not a big deal. But let's jump into this review because enough about the aftermarket. So, of course, we do have the Jordan 1 box. I love how they did go with this blue box. I think this may be my favorite part about the shoe. On the inside, we do have the normal paper that you get with it, and there is the shoe itself. Now, honestly, it looks like the quality on these is really actually pretty good. Before we start talking, let me go ahead and get this other shoe out, and we'll kind of go over it. And just like that, boys and girls, we are back at home with our Jordan 1 True Blues. Now, as I said, I did get a size 10 in these. Size 10, I ended up paying, let me see here. At the end of the day, they were $192.60. And if you're wondering, on the aftermarket, that's about what they're selling for right now. So they're selling for retail. That should answer your question if you should hold these, if you should be selling them, what you should be doing with them, or if you should be investing in these pairs. I would just hold off. I would wait until later on. I know I usually talk about this after the review, but I just wanted to tell you guys that right now, that they're kind of at retail, but I'm not worried about selling these. I'm giving them away in Kick Notified tonight or this weekend, like I said earlier in the video, so it's not a big deal. But let's jump into this review because enough about the aftermarket. So, of course, we do have the Jordan 1 box. I love how they did go with this blue box. I think this may be my favorite part about the shoe. On the inside, we do have the normal paper that you get with it, and there is the shoe itself. Now, honestly, it looks like the quality on these is really actually pretty good. Before we start talking, let me go ahead and get this other shoe out, and we'll kind of go over it. So here they are side by side. These shoes are absolutely identical. I don't see any differences. You know, some shoes, they do have differences all the way around. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the shoe and see what they have going on. Now, Nike claims these are spec'd after the 85, so they have the premium leather on them, as you can see as we zoom in. I do have to agree, they do have pretty good leather quality all the way around. You can see as the toe box, as we zoom in, they're pretty nice. You don't really see too many glue stains either, which is awesome to see. We know 2022 quality control was not there for Jordan Brand overall on most of their sneakers, which hopefully this year they do better. They do come laced up default with the blue laces that goes perfect with the shoe itself, but they also come with an extra pair of laces that are white. Now, I'm glad they're starting to do these little boxes instead of little hang tags. I'm so happy because I remember when these used to rip off, and I hated when they ripped off when I had them dead stock. Now, there's no excuse. Oh, the lace bag's taken off. It's not worth as much. That's not true. Now, this fixes that problem. As you can see, you can open this up and unfold it into a white pair of laces. I think they did this because more sustainable material is why they started going to this, and I'm happy they did so. Now, back to the shoe itself. I love the back of the gray. I love how they went with nubuck here. It does look pretty good in my opinion. Overall, I mean, honestly, if you guys got these pairs, it's a great first personal. If this is your first Jordan or first Jordan in 2023, it's not a bad shoe. Not at all. I can't see myself wearing it itself. You can see the Jordan logo here, but you know, it's not bad. It's not bad. Let me know down in the comments. Are you wearing your pairs or are you getting rid of them? The tag itself, as you can see, it does have Nike Air on it on both of our shoes. And overall, dude, the shoe is nothing that really sticks out. The resale value is not there. The hype's not there, but it's not a bad shoe. Just because there's no hype, just because there's no resale value, that doesn't mean anything about the shoe itself. Overall, I mean, I wish some of the other Jordan 1s that we've seen released before had the quality these actually do have. I love going all the way around. Like, let's go ahead and double check our glue stains on both pairs. I mean, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm very excited. I'm really hoping that Jordan Brand tries to come through clutch. I mean, there's a little bit of glue stain, and I'm really just hoping they work on quality control. Now, am I going to get hopeful on that? No, because you know how it is, man. You know how Jordan Brand is right now. The quality control is just not really there. But it's a good first start. There's a little speck right there. Nothing too bad, but, you know, we'll take it. Let me know, are you wearing your pairs? Are you selling them? Did you even pick them up, or did you pass on this sneaker overall? Personally, I know a lot of people, like I saw, like, 90% of people were passing on these. I didn't see that much success because no one really went and picked them up. Like I said, for that $190 price tag, they're selling for retail, and then not everybody just loved the shoe. Like I said, there was no hype to it, but that's fine. If you picked up pairs, congratulations on your brand new pairs of Jordan 1s. There's nothing better than getting a new pair of shoes. I know how it is, and there's nothing wrong with this pair. Like I said, it goes with a lot. You can make this work. You can have some pretty fire outfits. Honestly, I could rock it with the outfit I have on right now, and it would look pretty good. So, but overall, my opinion on this shoe, man, I am giving it away. Giving it away. I'm not wearing them. Giving away and Kick Notify, like I said. So if you want a chance of that, make sure you check out our giveaway tab. I know a lot of you guys are in Kicked, so if you are, make sure you go to the giveaways later this afternoon or here in a little bit, and I'll post up that giveaway. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Let me know if you like the different camera angles. Like, I did do some new camera angles. I did a GoPro. I did a couple other things. It was kind of funny walking through the mall with the GoPro on. You couldn't really see it because it was hidden by my overshirt, my Young LA button down. And dude, it's just a cool angle. I'm really happy to implement them into the videos. I can't wait to really see the potential I can make with it. I have some ideas, and I think you guys will really like it. That's it, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Like always, man, I appreciate you guys for your support. If you have any questions for me, my Instagram is right here. Hit me up. Hit me up. I'll respond to all your DMs. And like I said, if you want to get in Kick Notify, it's right up there. I know we're doing a giveaway. That should not be the motive to join Kick Notify. You should be getting in Kick Notify for our one-on-one support, our Hibbett monitors, our JD Sports, Finish Line, Foot Locker, all those in-store stock monitors. The list goes on what we had to provide for you for 2023. If you want to get your collection up, if you want to start reselling, if you just need help in general with shoes, we got you in Kick Notify, guys. That's it for me. I will see you on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace!